Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change slow motion video speed on your Poco phone. So to do it, first go to the camera and record the slow motion video. So you'll need to go to more, then slow motion, and now here you can change the resolution as well as the refresh rate. So the higher the refresh rate, the more ability we'll have to adjust the speed. Then you can record the video, so I'm gonna quickly record it, just like that. Then you can go to the video, now you can see it is in slow motion, and to edit that you need to click on three dots. Then you can change playback speed or not. Let's go to the gallery app. This will give us more options, so go to the gallery app, got it, then click on that video, and now you can click here to edit it, and here you can change the speed like that. So it will be either faster or slower. No, it's faster now, and it will be slower now. And you can also trim it and save it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.